Good morning to everyone. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we discuss the beautiful lesson, the cow and the cop and the ant. The cop and the ant. Already I know that everyone. The cop means the cop means none other than the police, and the anthem. Actually, anthem means a song. Anthem means a song which is sung by an Anglican or Protestant churches. Anthem is an uplifting song identified with a particular group of bodies or cause. This is very important. These two words are very important. Actually, this lesson was written by O. Henry. Is a famous American short story writer. This lesson was written in December in December in 1904. The story is setting in New York. The story is setting in New York. Actually, this story is based on underprivileged class. Underprivileged class in America. Actually, in this lesson, we have only one character. The character name is Soapy. Only one character. The character name is Soapy. Soapy is a homeless person. Homeless person. Actually, in the number of underclass persons who flocked to New York City during the earliest years of 20th century. 20th century. So, a member of Soapy is a member of underclass person who flocked to New York City during the earliest years of 20th century. Sophie faces the urgent necessity of finding some sort of shelter for the winter. Actually, he is a homeless person, but Sophie faces the urgent necessity of finding some sort of shelter for the winter. Actually, in the winter season, the homeless persons, actually in America, Canada, European countries, the winter season is very horrible. That's why the rich people, Bay of Naples, Mediterranean Sea, or some other warm countries, and even birds also migrate to from cold regions to weather warm places. Take example in Andhra Pradesh, especially in the West Godavari, there is a Kolleru Lake. The Siberian cranes travel from Russia to Andhra Pradesh in the winter season because Kolleru Lake is a warm place for the Siberian cranes. At the same way, here Soapy wanted a shelter during the winter season. So that's why he is thinking of Blackwell's Island. Soapy is thinking of Blackwell's Island. Blackwell Island is a local jail. This is very important. Blackwell's Island is a local jail. Actually, it is a shelter for homeless persons in the winter season. So he actually is thinking of Blackwell Island is a local jail because he was already sentenced in the Blackwell's Island in many times. That's why he wanted to go to again to Blackwell Island, a local jail for the winter season. So without any crime, the persons are not allowed to the Blackwell's Island. That's why he developed. A series of tactics. A series of tactics to go to the jail intended to encourage the cop or police to classify him as a criminal and arrest him. So that's why he planned or he series of tactics intended to encourage the cop, police to classify him as a criminal and arrest him. So Soapy went into a upper class restaurant. So first implemented his plan. So he wanted to go to a upper class restaurant. Upper class restaurant. What was his plan? So he went into the upper class restaurant. He eat a good meal, a delicious meal, and he wanted to refuse the payment. Then the owner called the police and arrested him. Then he went to the jail. That is the first plan. But actually, he has no proper clothes. He has no proper dress. He has no proper shoe. Because he is a homeless person. He is a poor person. So as soon as he entered into a upper class restaurant, the head waiter did not allow him to the restaurant because he thought that Soapy was a poor man and he thought that Soapy has no money. That's why the head waiter refused to serve him. So his first plan was failed. And again, then he implemented his second plan, plan B. He broke the window glass. He took a stone and hit the glass. Then the glass was broken. So there was a cop, but the cop did not arrest him, Soapy, because generally as soon as the criminal saw the police, the criminal run away. But here, Soapy stand there. He did not run away. So the cop thought that Soapy is an innocent person because at that time some person was running. So the cop thought that the running person was criminal. So the cop chased the other person instead of Soapy. So that's why his second plan, breaking the window glass, is also failed. And his third plan, he went into the another restaurant, a lower class restaurant. He went into the another restaurant. He took a good meal. And then the waiter asked the bill. The waiter asked the money. Then Soapy refused to take the bill. And Soapy advised the waiter to call the cop. Then the waiter refused to call the cop. The waiter called another waiter. The waiter called another waiter. Both waiters pushed him out of the hotel. Then Soapy fell on the concrete pavement and his nose was disfigured. So his third plan was also failed. And he implemented another plan. He is walking. Then after the meal, he is walking on the concrete pavement. Then he saw a young woman. Then he had an idea. An idea struck his mind. Then he harassed. Then he harassed a young woman. But the young woman, as soon as he harassed the young woman laughed at him. And the young woman did not call the police. This time, Soapy ran away from the young woman. So his fourth plan is also failed. And then Soapy made a nuisance. In the public. Actually, it is a crime. Soapy made a nuisance. It is a crime in the America, especially New York City. But here the police thought that actually there was an instruction. From the higher authorities to the police department. What were the higher authorities? Actually, no student should be arrested by the cop because the students celebrated their victories after getting the degrees from the universities, after getting a chance playing football in the clubs. After celebrating victories for the football matches, that's why no student should not be sorry any student should not be arrested by the police. So the police thought that here whenever he made a nuisance, whenever he made a nuisance, the police thought that maybe a Harvard student, maybe a Yale student. That's why this plan was also this plan was also failed. Fifth plan was also failed. And and first plan is upper class restaurant, second one is broken window class, third one is A to good meal, and fourth one is arrest hangman, fifth one is soapy made a nuisance, and sixth one is he stole a umbrella. He implemented he stole an umbrella. So some a old person put the umbrella aside, and he is buying something in the fancy shop. So he stole the umbrella and he ran away. The umbrella man also followed. The umbrella man also followed him or chased the Soapy. Then Soapy suggested the umbrella man to call the police. To call the police. Then the umbrella man leave the umbrella and he went away. So this time also his plan was failed, and sixth plan was also failed. Then based on the events, Soapy despairs. So all plans are failed. So then he despaired. He despaired of his goal of getting arrested and imprisoned. Actually, what was his goal? His goal was arrested and imprisoned. These are his goals, but his goals are failed. He disappeared. Then he passed by the small church. So the night came fall, and then he passed by a small church. A small church. It is an organ. It is an organ, especially an orphanage. Soon as he passed the small church, he listened to the church organ play an anthem. An anthem. So as soon as he passed the small church, he listened to the church organ play an anthem. He experienced a spiritual epiphany. So as soon as he heard the anthem, he experiences a spiritual epiphany. A spiritual epiphany. So as soon as he heard the anthem, he experiences spiritual epiphany. He recalls his self-respect. His self-respect. Soapy recalls that a successful businessman had once offered him a job. So as soon as he passed by a small church, he listened to the church organ play an anthem. He experiences spiritual epiphany. He regains his self-respect. Soapy recalls that a successful businessman had once offered him a job. So lost in river, Soapy decides that on the very next day he will seek out his potential mentor and apply for employment. Suddenly he changed as soon as he heard the anthem. He changed his attitude. The anthem touched his heart, touched his soul, touched his self-respect. That's why he wanted to change his motive. Actually, in the beginning, his motive is to go to the jail. But as soon as he heard the anthem, his motive is changed. He wanted to get a job, and he wanted to start a new life to the next day. So the anthem changed his attitude and his motto. So and he wanted to seek employment. Then exactly at that time, a cop. Exactly at that time, a cop taps him. A cop taps him on the shoulder. Taps him on the shoulder, and Soapy was arrested. Shoulder and Soapy was arrested for loitering. For loitering. In the magistrate court on the following day, he is convicted of a misdemeanor, and is sentenced to 3 months jail. And he was sentenced to 3 months jail, and where in Blackwell's Island. Blackwell's Island. So this is the ironic. Actually, in the beginning, he wanted to go to the jail, and he do several series of tactics, like he wanted to enter into the upper class restaurant, and he broke the window glass. He went into the another restaurant and he ate full meal and did not pay the money, and he harassed a young man, and he made nuisance in the public. He stole in an umbrella. He did several tactics to be arrested, but everything is failed. And as soon as he heard the anthem in the church, and he wanted to change his life, he wanted to change his attitude. Exactly at that time, actually, attitude he changed, and next day he wanted to go to a job, get a job. Exactly at the time, the police arrested him, put in the jail. So this is the real irony in the OND stories. Okay, thank you, one and all.